beautiful Lumangwe Falls. Welcome back, guys. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. Let's watch the Lumangwe Falls. So let's start from the beginning. Woo! So make sure if you are not subscribed, guys, do so. Imagine this content is simply priceless. Simply priceless. That's why I brought you here. Wow. Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm at a guest house here in Kawambwa. Yes, Kawambwa, that's where I am today. And guess what, I'm taking you to one of the best, what we call a replica of the Victoria Falls. This is like the young brother to the Victoria Falls, the Lumangwe Waterfalls. That's where I'm taking you today. One more time, I'm using the Gatoma. Take a look, it's already starting up, it's just warming up. Gatoma 200 is the motorbike I'm using today. Look, it's not a Honda. Many people are used to Honda. So if you can't afford Honda, I always tell people that buying a Honda motorbike is equivalent to buying a Toyota Mark X. But why should you spend so much when you can spend a fraction of that, maybe 5 times less, to get just a motorbike? And imagine I'm in the northern region of Zambia. Once again, if you need a Gatoma motorbike, contact Moses from Gatoma and find out how you can purchase your next ride. They have various ones, 125cc, they have got 150cc, and the ultimate which they have is the 200cc. And I'm in the northern circuit of Zambia showcasing the beautiful waterfalls which God has blessed us with. So right now, let's go to Lumangwe Waterfalls. Let's go. Okay, it's time to leave Kawambwa town and here where we turn. Look at this house on the left. Very beautiful. So we are leaving the Kawambwa town and now going to see the falls in this part of after Kawambwa. Actually, when we cross Kawambwa, we'll be in Mporokoso. So this is the route and this is the police checkpoint. Take a look how they put checkpoints. As a biker, you simply cruise. Oh, that's an advantage of being a biker. And then, as usual, it's a good day. So happy, so excited, good mood. That's me here. Just reality that so my camera facing me to give you details. Let's go, guys. Okay, now this is, as you are seeing, the forest on the left is known as the Zafiko. So Zafiko forest in Kawambwa. Yes, so this is how the Zafiko and on the right, Kawambwa tea. Kawambwa tea. Have you ever heard of the Kawambwa tea? So we are now entering a gravel road and finding even a terrible road in this region. I tell you, very, very terrible road. This is gravel and this road goes to Mporokoso. Mporokoso. So from Kawambwa you enter Mporokoso. And so in Kawambwa, this is where Member of Parliament Nixon Chilangwa is. So Nixon Chilangwa, PF Member of Parliament Nixon Chilangwa. If you know him, I want you to comment down below. So look at the road, how the road, what you are seeing is nothing compared to where we are going. Especially going to Mporokoso, the road is terrible. Chana wakarama. Huyu mumana shishina. Chisaka. Oh, okay. So namwena mwali besabi.
Mbisabi.
Sure. Oh. So ilo mulengera nangu namufunyako lini.
Kuingira. Apele kuchukua bukufika. Bari yakora bushira.
Awe naisa pe. Nachira pita mushero namuna fyami.
Ni mumana nomba bari bakufika po bridge.
Oh, bari kufika po bridge. Kuri apishira nishini kwisa.
Kurakushira kuri kawambwa nova sugar company.
Oh, kawambwa sugar company. So tamwikete kwesa bidera. Oh, tamurayingiraho.
Turaingira mukwenshi ko bukai ko kuchushabana.
Okay.
Kuchushabana kuri bari kutrana na port.
Okay. National Monument Lumangwe Falls. 5.8 kilometers. I want you to take a look at this beautiful bridge. Very beautiful bridge. Take a look. Lumangwe Falls, is straight. Lumangwe Falls. Huko ni kila pesa.
Mara kuoneka pasani post mle sana post.
Okay.
Kumlea.
Okay, wataanza na post. Look at how this road looks like, and since it rains every day, you really need to be a skilled motorbiker. And you know, I'm just new in this game, less than maybe 2 weeks old motorbike driver. Look at this mud. I was messed up, I was muddy to reach this place, guys. Look at how muddy it is. It rains, and this is the road. So now officially, guys, because I have crossed the Kalungwishi River, I'm now in Mporokoso. So I'm now officially in Mporokoso.
Lumangwe Kaweluma Falls complex. So Lumangwe Falls 10 kilometers. Yeah, this side going to the left. Yeah, Lumangwe Kaweluma Falls National Monument. 10 kilometers, guys. Right, guys, we have now reached the junction. Like you can see. Oh my God, Lumangwe Kaweluma Falls complex. Lumangwe Falls 10 kilometers, Kaweluma 15. So these two waterfalls, I'm going to separate them. There are two. Then there's the Luapula Hydro Power Corporation, Kalungwishi Hydro Power Project. So these waterfalls, they are along the Kalungwishi River. Yeah, so that's where I'm taking you guys. As usual, with a very cheap motorbike called Gatoma. Yeah. Before I forget to tell you the distance from Kawambwa town to the Kalungwishi River, where the falls is about 70 kilometers. 70 kilometers. In this region, I've already been cycling. I've already been riding for more than 1,000. As you can see, Kalungwishi, there's Lumangwe and the Kaweluma Waterfalls. So after Kaweluma, this road is the one which is now taking me to Lumangwe, which will be my first. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lumangwe Waterfalls, a replica of Victoria Falls. Oh my God. Actually, it's not a replica, it's the brother to the Victoria Falls. A lot of similarities. Enjoy. Oh yeah, just like that, Traveltainment has brought you to the Lumangwe Waterfalls. Okay, today my tour guide is Mr. Mubanga. Now because the noise of the falls is too much, he has brought me here. Now he's telling me that if you want camping here, 33 kwacha. Lodging 100 kwacha. There is actually a lodge here for only 100 kwacha. So that's what he's telling me. He's saying, come on, I'm here at your service, let's go. Oh, 30% in a falls, no difference. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, bali tele lako. I think no mwenso. Ngo kwikata kuti wakumi yako. Okay. Hey. Mwere se charo usu. Hey yeah. Wow. Hey, hey. To me, it has rained a lot this year. Only peak season if you yain. Apa yali pa peak pene. Wow. Wow. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. The camera is even becoming blurred, guys. I've seen pictures of others showing me the falls. Today, it's me showing them. Woo. Wow. What are you talking about? Woohoo! Yay! Beautiful Zambia! Yay! can't afford not to have mist on the lens. It's continuous raining, otherwise you won't have a view, guys. This is the beautiful Lumangwe Falls. Beautiful Lumangwe Falls, guys. Very beautiful. Guys, if the image a lot of rainy drops, is very normal because it's really at peak, so you can't afford not to have some rains coming on your screen, guys. It's not easy because this is the peak season. So we are going to have another viewpoint.
So this viewpoint is by going down. So there are steps which you go down, down, down and view the falls from under almost the ground level of the water.
Okay. Hear the sound. The sound is amazing. Look what the steps. Guys, it's a mixture of fear and reality. You are happy, but you are also scared. Oh my God. Wow. moneka monene yale moneka ko clean yale moneka ko na brown katushinga reflection ya chibumba ai ambeshi ya moene nombo kobya jadi bako katushinga ni brown okay. Lumangwe Falls here in Kawambwa. Very beautiful. Coming from the Kalungwishi River. Look at the grass, guys. It looks like green carpet. Green carpet. I'm even tired. Mwaranko pako nomba picture. Hey. So apart from a cheap camping area where you can camp here, there is also a barbecue area. Okay. Onesaka. So kuti vaikala no mumwine. Okay. Wow. Oh, kulia. Nishuku yale ko kwenda meshuku. Oyashalira kulia. Okay. Okay. So during the dry season, you are able to walk from here to where the actual falls start. So you are able to walk on this river, this Kalungwishi River, up to where the falls there is angry there. Guys, I want you to comment down below. Do you think I have delivered again in today's video? The Lumangwe Waterfalls. Have I delivered, guys? I want to hear your comments. So guys, if you want to hear stories about Zambia and you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'll be very shocked, guys, if you are not subscribed, because I don't know who brings content across Zambia like Traveltainment. As I end today's video, this is Mporokoso. Remember, here in Mporokoso, there are other places where there are waterfalls, and I'm unable to go there because the road is bad, muddy, and take a look at the bridge. Oh. Musica.